Today, an LA-based nonprofit headed to Beirut to help victims of the deadly explosion that devastated the area. Last month's blast killed more than 170 people and wounded thousands more. The FBI is helping Lebanese investigators look into what caused that fire, which ultimately ignited nearly 3,000 tons of ammonium nitrate stored for years in Beirut's port. Now, the tragedy called a local group to action. Their mission: help children all across the globe. For the past 3 years, Kirkwood and Manna Dabholkar's nonprofit Gift Global Initiative has helped children in LA. But now, the team is bringing their help far away.
Getting ready to bring these N95 masks and medical supplies for our trip to Beirut, Lebanon. As you know, it was devastated by the third largest explosion in the history, at least of modern times. So there's a lot of medical supplies needed, and we're going to do our best to bring as much as we can.
This is video of the devastation taken by a Gift Global team member already there in Beirut. After the deadly blast there a few weeks ago, Keith said his nonprofit was inundated with requests for help on social media from people who knew they were a local charity with global reach, with Manna's past work with the American Red Cross and Keith's previous work in politics. Their shared love of children inspired them to want to help.
A fraction of the city has been completely destroyed. This is not just bring the aid and go home.
Now he and his team are headed there to Beirut to bring aid to children who need it most. Most of the medical aid, the food and water, all of that has already been shipped to Beirut via cargo plane. But the team is bringing with them these N95 masks, face shields, and hand sanitizers.
All the kids from the hospitals which were destroyed were transferred over to the hospitals that we are working with, and they are running super low in medical supplies. So we reached out to embassies and our partner companies to ship medical supplies into Beirut. So once we get there, we are going to distribute those medical supplies to the hospitals.
The Gift Global team won't just deliver humanitarian aid and help search and rescue efforts, but they want to truly see and understand the need there so they can keep helping.
We're going to be going back and making numerous trips on each phase of the rebuilding process. So this is just phase one.
And while the disaster happened across the world, Keith and Manna know their nonprofit and LA support system has a lot to offer. This team has a lot of help to give, and they're willing to go a long way to give it. If you'd like to help, go to ggiusa.org, the website right there on your screen.